Good morning, my friend. Today is Sunday. Today I'm going to be spending the whole day at home. I will make kimchi later and I will have to grind some flaxseed for breakfast. And I have this really fun project that I'm going to upholst my 2 armchair, which I bought earlier on. And also for food, I will be eating the Swedish, we call that the Leverbiff. It's actually made of liver and beef. So it's going to be like a patty. I prepared it yesterday, so I'm just going to explain how I did that and how it tastes like. You're probably wondering why liver, right? Because I have been experiencing low blood pressure lately, so liver is very good for me. Let's go to the kitchen. I will try to fast today, but this is what LG eat. His Swedish breakfast. He has a toast with some cheese, and then he has this hot bread with falukorv. This is a typical Swedish breakfast and sausage that most we like to eat. If you enjoy something salty, this is something that you should try. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to be fasting today. So I'm going to try and grind some flaxseed. This seed has a lot of benefit and properties. I'm going to grind them into powder. If you are the type that always spill things, I think this is a very good gadget to get. It's actually a funnel with a bigger hole like that. So it's going to help me to prevent me from spill things. So what I need to do is I just have to confidently pour everything here, then it will go right down to the container. This way I won't spill. Oh, look, perfect. Yeah, I thought since I'm grinding, I might as well grind other things. I have some pumpkin seed here. I'll be using this to make the knäckebröd. If you guys haven't watched that, I'm going to include them here, alright? I love kimchi. My kimchi is very simple. I'm going to make a seasoning later, but right now I'm going to cut this and marinate them in salt water. Let it sit for a few hours until the kimchi is really soft. Then I will add in the seasoning. If you like international recipe, I have a lot of food recipe. In fact, I started this channel out with making recipes. I have many other healthy playlists also where you can check it out. I'm going to try and include them in the video description so you can watch for yourself. This is a Swedish dish called Leverbiff. I made this yesterday It is actually made of liver and also some minced beef. I seasoned them with salt and pepper and some parsley. You also need about 4 tablespoons of flour to bind them. Liver contains lots of iron, so it's really good for my low blood pressure. Finally, I can get some rest. LG opened the window when he was cooking, so I decided to eat here in the living room. I'm getting tired. Just eating. Okay, my next project is to upholst 2 armchairs which I bought 2 years ago. I've been postponing this project because I dread about that, as I don't have any experience upholstering this furniture. But today I'm going to get this fixed. Let's see how this goes. I bought this some time ago, but I didn't quite like the fabric. It's really not my style, so I was thinking maybe I'm going to try and upholst this. This is how it looks like before. It's going to be really challenging because I have no experience at all, but I really need to have this sofa change. First, I'm going to try use a knife to remove all the nails here. No, I'm not very good in sewing machine, so I'm going to try my best, right? Everything seems well, so I'm going to sew one more so it's more stronger. This is an old machine, so sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Ta-da! Wow, this is done. Oh my goodness. Let me try this. Oh, it feels so good. And it looks really good here, don't you think? I always wanted to have like an armchair in front of a fireplace, even though these are fake, but it's still the fantasy. And this space has been empty for a while now because I really don't know what to do with it. And since we have this chair and it's not so big, so I thought it would look nice here. Now I cannot wait for my tea so that I can feel like a queen again. Today I learned that we shouldn't be afraid to try new things, even though it can be quite scary sometimes. We never know our strength until we try it. Most importantly, we put in effort just trying. I'm going to make a chanterelle sauce to eat with my liver beef. Now that my sauce are ready, I'm going to make some potato mousse with some ready potato powder. I realized that meat are not cheap these days. If you add liver to a minced meat to make a pate like that, I think it only not just healthier, it is also more economical. If you have been following me at YouTube, you notice most of my food are quite economical. If you're looking for more economical food, I'm going to include the video playlist in the video description, and I hope you check it out. Delicious food need not have to be expensive or complicated. The key to good food is by enjoying the process by cooking it slowly. Maybe the secret to happiness isn't in doing more. It is in doing what you love, with patience and love. So that is my Sunday. No drama, no shopping mall, no rush. Just peace, a full belly, and slightly sore arm from that upholstery. Thank you for spending this slow, cozy Sunday with me. If you enjoy it, do give me a hype, a like, and a subscribe if you haven't. It helps this small channel to grow. Until next Sunday, stay warm, kind, and remember, slow living isn't a trend, it is a choice.